Good morning everyone and welcome back to the online class. Okay. So, as in the previous class we had done the subtraction, right? Today we are going to do subtraction with borrowing. Subtraction with borrowing. In the last class we had done subtraction without borrowing, right? Without borrowing. So today we are going to do the questions with borrowing, right? Class 1 Maths 36 20. The question is subtract the following. Subtract the following. Right. Question number A. 31 minus 4. See here everyone. See here. I have made one gap here. You have the box copy, right? Your maths copy is of box type. Okay. So when you solve this subtraction with borrowing, what you will do? You will leave one line box. Okay. In each line you leave one box and do questions down. Right. Now see here why I said you. Now 1 minus 4. Can you do 1 minus 4? From 4 can you go to 1? No, not possible. Not possible. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 4. Yes or no? If I say to count from 1 to 4, that is possible. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is okay. But when I say you to count from 4 to 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all. Then can we go to 1? No, never. It is not possible. Right? So for this, what you have to do? You have to borrow from this 3 here. Right? Now when you borrow from this 3, what is here now? 1, 1, 11. That I wrote on the top. Now from 3 you gave 1, no? So what is left there? 2. To write this thing on the top, I am saying you to leave one line gap. Understood? When you write the question, what you will do? You will leave one line and then write the question. Okay? Then see, when you borrow here, 1 was there, again 1 you added here. 1, 1. You know nursery KG, how we learn? 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11. Right? Same thing will be here, 1, 1, 11. Now down what is there? 4. So from 4, you count till 11. From 4, count till 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what? How much we got? 5, 6, 7. So what will be our answer here? It will be 7. Right? And what is here now? 3 was there before, but from 3 you get there 1. So what is left there? 2. And down anything is there? No. So down nothing is there means what? You can write the answer directly. Understood how to do? First of all, you have to leave one gap here, then write the question. If there is any kind of borrowing, borrow and then write that main answer on the top. Then from down to up you count, you write the answer. See number B. Number B. 2020. See how I am writing? I am giving one gap on the top. Minus 8. Did you see? I am leaving one gap. Why? Now see. 0 minus 8. Can you go from 8 to 0? No. That is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to carry from here. Now 1, 0. What is it? 10. And what from 2 you gave 1. What is left? 1. Yes? Now what I said, from here you have to count till here. What is here? 8, 9, 10. How many? 2. That will be your answer. From this 2 you gave 1. What is left over there? 1. And nothing is here. Nothing means 0. So directly you can write the same answer. 1 to 12. Right? See question number C. 43. See, I am again giving one gap. 43 minus 7. 43 minus 7. Now again see here. 3 minus 7. From 7 can you go till 3? From 7 can you go till 3? No, it is not possible. right? It is not possible. Then what you have to do? You have to carry from here. 1, 3, 13. From 4 you gave 1. What is there? 3. Right? Then from 7 you have to count till 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much you got? 5 and 1? 6. So what will be our answer here? 6. From 3, nothing is there down. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be same, 3. Right? Question number D. 32 minus 4. 32 minus 4. From 4 can you go till 2? From 4 can you go till 2? Never. Not possible. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here. 1, 2, 12. From 3 you gave 1, 2. Right? Then from 4 you count till 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we got here? We got here 8. And 2, nothing is down. So directly 2. Right? See next question. Question number E. 62 minus 8. Same. From 8 can you go till 2? No, not possible. Borrow from here. 1, 2 you got 12. From 6 you gave there, so it became 5. Understood why I am leaving this gap here? To write the main answer. See, when you borrow here 1, 2 it became what? 12. From 6 you gave 1, what it became? 5. Now just see this down one and top one. 8, 12. From 8 you have to come till 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 4. From 5, nothing to give. Direct answer 5. Question number F. 41 minus 6. 41 minus 6. Now, can you do from 6 to 1? Can you count from 6 to 1? Back? No. What you have to do? Borrow. 1, 1, 11. From 4 you gave 1, it became 3. From 6 you count till 11. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 5. And from 4 you gave 1, what is left there? 3. Easy now? Yes? Okay. Question number G. 52 minus 5. 52 minus 5. Again from 5. Can you go till 2? No. What you have to do? Borrow. Right? Next. When you borrow here 1, 2, it became how many? 12. And 5. From 5 you gave 1. What is left here? 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 5, 6, 7. So what you have to write here? 7. And 4 minus nothing? 4. Alright? Okay. Now, this was what? Upper 2 digit, down 1 digit. Now we will do 2 digits. Okay, both the sides 2 digits. Right? Number H. Okay, question number H. We will do 2 digits. 3, 3 minus 1, 4. Alright? 3, 3 minus 1, 4. Now see here, what is here? 4. From 4, can you go till 3? No, not possible. Right? So, what you have to do? You have to borrow from here. Now, what is there? 1, 3, 13. And from 3 you gave 1. That means what is left there? 2. Right? From 3 you gave 1, 2 is left. Okay. Then from 4 you count till 13. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 9. Right? Now, before here only was one number down, nothing was there. But now, number is there. 2 minus 1. Simple. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay? Question number I. 42 minus 15. Okay? 42 minus 15. Now, from 5 you cannot go till 2. Then what you have to do? Borrow. When you borrow here, it became 1 to 12. From 4 you are giving 1, it became 3. Okay? Now, from 5 you have to count till 12. From 5 you have to count till 12. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 6, 7. How much we got here? 7. So that will be our answer. Again, what is here? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. What is there? 2. Understood all? Yes? Okay, few more questions on these 2-digit numbers. Okay, so that you will be very much clear and you can solve any kind of question without any help from others. Okay, because when you will write exam, no one will be there with you to give you answer. You have to write the answers by your own. Yes or no? Okay. Next question you see. 5, 3 minus 2, 6. Okay. From 6, can you count till 3? No, not possible. So what you have to do? Borrow. And see, I have left one gap here. So 1, 3, 13. And from 5 you give 1. What is left? 4. So from 6 you count till 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 7. So directly write here 7. Okay. And 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Done. Now it is easy for you. Yes? Okay. Now we'll do with zeros. Okay. Question is 7070 minus 2525. Now, confusion. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5. Nothing is there. 5 is down. So directly writing 5. No. Wrong. Whenever there is 0 and subtraction is there, do borrow. So 1, 0, 10. And from 7 you give 1, 6. Okay. Then 10 minus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 5. Now what is here? 6. What is here? 2. From 2 you count till 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 4. Like this. Okay. So the next question. 50 minus 1, 9. 50 minus 1. Again 0 is there. Directly borrow. 1, 0, 10. From 5 you give 1, 4. So 9, 1, 10. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 3. Easy? Okay. Next. 40 minus 3, 8. Again 1, 0 is there. So 1, 0, 10. From 4 you get 1, 3. 8, 9, 10. 2. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. What is there? Nothing. 0. Right? Okay. Next we will do 20 minus 1, 1. From 1 can you go till 0? Not possible. Borrow. 1, 0, 10 and we have 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 9. Alright. And now see here, 1 minus 1, 0. So 20 minus 11 is 9, correct? Yes. Okay. 8080 minus 48, 48. Okay. 0 is there, what you have to borrow? So 1, 0, 10. From 8 you gave, so what is there? 7. 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3. Done. So by this we have completed our next exercise, that is exercise 4.6. If you have doubt, go through the video again and again. Your doubt will be cleared very nicely. Okay. Still if you have doubt, you can ask me. I'm always there for you all. Okay.